Okay, hello guys, welcome again to my channel. On today, we are going to talk about the sound, the TH sound. So let's go for it. Okay, so the TH sound, the sound is a sound that most non-native speakers struggle with. So not just like Spanish speakers, but German, Portuguese, French, Italians all struggle with this sound. It's a sound that is not proper for these languages. So that's why these people struggle with this sound. And yeah, I mean it's not. I mean if you know how to do the V sound, it's kind of easy because it's like imagine you are going to do a D, you are going to say D, but you make vibrations at the same time. So like V. So you put your tongue a little bit out of your teeth. V. That's the TH sound. And if you manage to make completely right this sound, people are going to think that you're a native speaker. Why? Well, not exactly, but they are going to, not exactly, but they are going to think that you are much closer to be a native speaker because only native speakers are able to produce this sound completely correctly. So if you make this sound completely correctly, you get lots of points to get to native level. And yeah, I mean, I was in the UK for 1 year, and only at the end of that year, I managed to learn that because one friend who told me, because he was telling me how to pronounce some words, and I was saying the car, and he told, I know it's not the car, it's the car. So yeah, he told me that sound, and thanks to him, I improved a lot, and I was able to make that sound properly, and to get closer to the native level. Okay. So I'm going to share and tell some words that have this sound. Okay. So for example, the car, the, them, the, that, those, these, though, although, although. So yeah, that's are the most important ones. So you need to memorize them to those words, because there are not that many words that contain the sound in English, but you need to learn them by heart because they pop up lots of times in conversation. So you need to learn them by heart. It's not that they are really common words in English, so you need to learn them by heart so that every time you need to use them, you don't think, oh, is this with the pronunciation words? You just like said. And also, apart from that words, you can find these sounds in other two cases. For example, in clothing, and breathe with my lungs, breathing. Okay, so in those two cases, yeah, I mean I'm not, and apart from that, I think that's it. Yeah, I mean you could maybe find more words which has this sound, but those are the most common ones. Okay, I recommend you to learn this by heart, this sound. If you have any doubts, contact me. Don't hesitate to contact me because I'm here to teach you, and I think if you are able to pronounce, it's going to help you a lot to sound more native, and so that be more integrated. I'll feel better when you are around native speakers. So that's the goal of this channel. So if you're not sure whether you are doing it right, contact me. Don't hesitate. You are my Instagram and Facebook, so in the links below. So just like go for it, and yeah, contact me and tell me I'm pronouncing it wrong and I'm pronouncing it right. Whatever you want, it's okay. And yeah, I don't want to say any more here. Hope that you enjoyed this video, which was kind of short video. And see you next time, guys. Bye.